Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to debug extensions generally. I've got a little batch file which has nothing in it except that small line of code, so to say. So it basically really starts just your Tableau 2018.2 instance in this example, and it adds dash dash remote dash debugging dash port equals 8696. So once you're now starting a workbook which contains an extension, this allows you to debug that extension by using Chromium. So I'm now opening up that workbook. It does not contain an extension in that example, so let's add that one. So we're going to my own extensions, and we're going to choose a different folder. So it's C, then users, and then Tautenhahn documents, and then my Tableau repository and extensions. That's the default path for it, and that's a write-back extension from tablofence.com. And here you go, it already started. You can already use it. Let me now just go back to Chromium, because when you go here and you type in localhost and then 8696, that was exactly like what we've just added. You see here's the write-back extension, which you can now click on in order to debug it over here. So now let's do something about it. So let's click on pipeline, and let's add a different value over here. Let's say 900K, and I'm going to write that back. Now this information gets written back into the database, and within the console you see everything worked fine except the FUF icon. So it's missing that one, but everything else worked fine. But if something would not work fine, you would be able to see it over here. Cool, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.